Hello everyone, welcome back to the PHP series. In last video, we completed basic PHP. Now we discuss how to interact with HTML forms. So for this, you know how to develop HTML forms. If you don't know about HTML, then you can learn HTML from our channel. Link available in description. So here I hope you know how to create simple HTML form. So when we create a simple HTML form, we use various form attributes like action, name, method, etc. Here, method attribute is used to pass HTML form data to the server. So basically we use get and post method for a method attribute. So here we discuss basic points of get and post method. The first point say that get method can pass data using URL and post method pass data using HTTP request. Second point is when we use get method, name and data append with URL, and when we use post method, then it creates a package that contains name and data and pass this package through HTML HTTP request. Next point is we can send only maximum of 1024 character using get method because it pass data from URL, but post method not have any size limit. Next is get method is not secure because data is visible in URL, but post method is secure because it pass data using HTTP request. Next is we cannot send binary data like image, Word file using get method, but post method allow to send ASCII and binary data. Last point is $_get variable is used in PHP to access data which is passed using get method, and $_post variable is used to access data which is passed using post method. Let's understand from example. So first we create a simple HTML form which contains two text box and one submit button. So let's create. So in this form we set demo.php as a value of action attribute and get method as a method attribute. So when we submit the form, demo.php is executes. So now we write demo.php script. First we declare two variable name and mail to store value which access from form. To access name field data, we write $_get and pass name as an argument. So, so here, this variable access data of name field and store it in name variable. We also use same function to access mail field data. So let's write it. Now we print both variable using echo statement. Let's save the program and see the output. First we run HTML form. So here I will fill the details and click on submit. So as you can see, data is printed here. If you observe, then you can see data is available in the URL. Now we see example of post method. For this, we make small change in our HTML and PHP document. So in HTML file, we replace the get method with post and save the file, and in PHP file, we replace $_get variable with $_post variable. So let's save the file and see the output. So here I fill the details and click on submit button. So here data is printed. If you observe, then you can see data is not visible in URL because it's passed using HTTP request. If you have any doubt, then comment us. If you like this video, then like it, share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.